What's up guys, this is Clint Reith here from MarineMax in Dallas. Today we're going to go over a couple of tips and features of your Simrad GO9. If you follow me inside the boat into the cockpit area. So as we're sitting in our helm, you're going to see the basic main screen right here. You're going to have all your features located. The first one is the Chartplotter. As that loads up, as you see, we're at the store right now on the highway. We're over here, this is Lake Lewisville. You can just drag a screen just like on a tablet. You can also pinch, zoom in and out just like on a tablet as well. Or you can use the plus and minus down here on the bottom of the screen. If you see the little markers, Simrad's going to show each lake park, boat ramp, marinas, whichever lake you're at in the nation as well. Off to the side, to the right side, you'll see other indicators, miles an hour, depth, direction. Of course, we're inside the showroom now, so it's not going to show anything. Second feature is Echo. That's going to be your depth finder, also fish finder. Right now it's going to be a blank screen because we're inside the showroom. Usually you'll see the lake bottom curvatures, you'll see little fish arches or debris arches throughout your screen as well. Then you're also going to see your depth and large black text over here on the top left. Again, off to the side, miles an hour, feet, water temp. You can set your time, fuel capacity, voltage. You can always change these indicators as well, whichever you like. On this particular model, we don't have the side or down scan or the radar. Navigation's more of like your highway view of the GPS, like in your vehicle. As you see, there's the highway there. And once again, you can still pinch the screen, zoom in and out. Also, you have indicators, miles an hour, direction, and depth. Some other features, you have Mercury's application as well. So as you go into that, it's going to do a system check, make sure everything's running correctly. This is a more in-depth view of what the motor's doing, RPMs. Then again, you have miles an hour and depth over there as well. Also, trim gauge as well there. Your instruments, that's going to be your digital display, your gauge cluster. So as that loads up, so you have 3 different screens that you can choose from. So you have your compass, miles an hour, RPMs there, water temperature, voltage. Just drag the screen. So this is a popular view. So you have all your indicators in large text. It's easy to read. So you got miles an hour, direction, depth, water temp. And your last view is more of a compass view for it. You have still miles an hour, water temp, depth on each screen that you choose from. So back to the main screen. So on this GO9, you can have up to 3 applications going at once. To do that, you can customize your own. You have 4 boxes. So you just hit that plus, you just drag it over just like a tablet. So you want depth finder and your gauge cluster. You can have that loaded up. You just hit save. And now you have 2 applications going at once. Then again, you can customize each one you want. On more in-depth settings, you can go to alarms. It's a basic tip a lot of people don't know. So shallow water, you can just click that box and set your alarm. So right now it's 6 feet, so every time you get into 6 feet of water, it's going to start chirping at you, let you know. So this will be a box that comes up. You can easily just hit close and it'll stop beeping. Other features, quick tips, on this bottom left corner, you see the power button. So you have standby, that'll just turn it off. You have different settings, brightness, night mode. You can lock the screen as well. So in night mode, all that does is going to turn everything to a gray screen. All your letters are going to be red, easy to see. And another, on this particular model, you have the plus and minus down your throttle. What that does, it's a quick dimmer switch for your screen. So you're coming into the slip or the marina area at night, you can click that down quickly so you can see, you have better points of view. Then again, you have all the feature services, chart, echo, all throughout the screen. So I'll turn it back to on vessel control. You have cruise, troll control, smart tow, active trim to turn that on off, which is also located right here. And that's pretty much it on your Go 9. Thanks for listening.